how to turn off or disable the repost feature on TikTok. So if you don't want other people to repost your TikTok videos on their profile, then it's pretty easy to turn it off. If I go to my TikTok homepage and tap on the share button on any video, I will probably see the repost button on that video. This allows me to repost the video on my profile, and this works similarly to the retweet option that we have on Twitter. But let's say I want to disable this for my videos so that other people can't repost them. All I have to do is to go over to the TikTok settings, and I can do that by going over to my TikTok profile, and then I'll tap on the 3 horizontal lines. We'll click on the settings and privacy option right here. And once you get to this page, you want to tap on the privacy option that should be right under the account settings. The next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you should see a repost option somewhere in here. It isn't available for me for some reason, but you should see it on this privacy page. If it's enabled for you, then you want to turn it off or disable it, and then other people won't be able to repost your TikTok videos. If you have a solution on the problem where the repost option isn't showing up in here, I would appreciate if you would leave a solution in the comments down below, so we can also disable the reposts if we don't see the feature in our TikTok settings. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.